Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling the screensaver on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap on the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, select Desktop and Screensaver. Select Screensaver at the top of the page. Now you need to uncheck the box to the left of Show Screensaver After. When the screensaver is off, the box will not be checked and will be grey. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.